One amazing thing about Sage HR is how it delivers the power to do anything, any place, anytime, from a single digital platform. And, would you believe, to enjoy positive work-life experiences at the same time. Extend the range of Sage HR and streamline connections with employees using Open API and by integrating with systems you already use, such as Slack. Download the Sage HR mobile app and get your hands on freedom to manage key tasks on the go, fast and for free. Speed things up by creating custom workflows or tasks to be automatically triggered by defined actions. It's great for updating personal information and tracking things like expiry dates. At the click of a button, send paperless documents to your colleagues which they can sign right away in Sage HR. Put the fun into HR. Sage HR. Try it for free today.